Hey buddy.
How's it going, man?
All good. Happy to see you.
I'm happy to see you too. I know we're presenting in like an hour or so.
Yeah.
You're going to do all the talking, so I'm looking forward to that.
Well, we built it together, so it's going to be teamwork.
Yeah, that's teamwork. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Exactly. So today, first keynote took place this morning.
Yeah.
Like, tell us what are your three main, favorite announcements from today's keynote?
I was gonna say my favorite one was definitely Lakehouse RT. So I think that is I've known about it for a few months now, and I was very much looking forward to seeing it come out, and I got to test it beforehand, and it was very good. I'm excited for the feature for that one from a high concurrency, low latency. You don't have to use additional table taps or anything like that. It just works with what you have in Databricks. Just use a different compute. So I'm looking forward to that. I think second, I want to say Customer Lake. I'm looking forward to
the CDP offering.
Yeah, I haven't really spent a lot of time understanding it yet, or what the offering is going to be or is not going to be. But that is one thing that I'm very much intrigued in understanding where the direction is going. And I don't know if so much of us as an announcement today, but I'm just looking forward to seeing AI Gateway being used more and more for making sure that people understand where their AI spend is going, how everything is being governed, and I love that.
Just to give more, AI Gateway will be way easier to use. Basically, we'll just go select Unity AI Gateway. You can tag your models, and you can specify the shared budget. For example, I don't know, your team, you can give your team $5,000, and then you can give to every specific user a budget of $100. Once the shared budget is reached, you have two options: either send an alert or block the usage. Yeah. And you can do the same thing for all the models and Genie code as well.
Yeah, no, I think I had many conversations with business leaders today, and the concept of AI spend was definitely top of mind for most of them. I heard so many scary stories from a lot of different people, not so much on Databricks, but just working directly with different models. And so I think that AI Gateway tackles a very real business need, especially in an era where everyone is saying token maxing. I'm like, well, let's do ROI maxing, value maxing. I think Patrick Wendell said that yesterday at the product advisory board. So yeah.
Yeah, and what about Omnigent?
Technically that was not a DICE announcement. But yes, I'm looking forward to spending more time on that. Got to spend an hour once it was released. I got to see a little bit of the preview, and honestly, I'm looking forward to actually testing out to see what works and what doesn't work as well right now. But it has the potential to be a tool that I'm going to use it for most of my regular, everyday chat GPT, cloud type uses. So
perfect. Thanks, buddy.
Thank you, man.
In Lakehouse, rise data seas, lake flow streams the flow. Iceberg and Delta Lake, tables aglow. Unity catalog governs lake base, OLT base strong. Ginny text to SQL, Mosaic and KI prolongs. Yusuf and Quentin co-hosts light the fire. Gen dream scale higher and higher. Next gen, drop it.